What's up, y'all? In today's video on Becoming a Cosmetologist, episode 2, we will be washing, detangling, and blow drying. The conditioner and shampoo I will be using is Garnier's Whole Blend, Honey Measure Shampoo, and Royal Hibiscus Shea Butter. Let's get into it. As you can see here, I'm taking out the ponytail from the last style that I did. If you have not seen the first episode, go check that out. I did a freestyle video on this mannequin. Now I'm going to take my brush and begin detangling the hair. Keep in mind when you're brushing to start from the ends and work your way up to the top. You don't want to cause any damage or clumping. You want to be as gentle as possible on the hair. When washing your mannequin's hair, use lukewarm water or warm to the touch. Do not use hot or cold water. It will cause matting on the mannequin and you do not need that. I'm going back in with my brush just to make sure that there's no knots and tangles before I add the shampoo. When washing your mannequin head, you want to try to avoid using detoxing shampoos because mannequin heads don't have natural oils in their hair like humans. When washing the hair, try not to scrub too hard. The mannequin head will tangle easier than natural hair. Also, this is not the proper way that you're supposed to wash your mannequin head. I'm just doing it like this because I don't have a sink bowl. But in cosmetology school, they're going to show you how to do it, the ins and outs. This is just me doing it for fun. If you have any tips on some things maybe I can work on, leave a comment down below. Now it's time to dry your hair. You want to start from the root and work your way to the end. Don't want to be rough with your hair. It will cause frizz and breakage. Going in with my wide tooth comb just to make sure that there's no tangles before I start to blow dry. Now I'm going to go in with some styling cream. I don't have any heat protector, so I'm just putting this on as a little base. Begin the blow dry process. You want to make sure that you're starting in small sections. You never want to do big sections because it's not going to dry properly. I'm using my paddle brush to blow dry the hair. You can use a round brush if you would like. Use cool to medium heat and not the highest heat setting on your blow dryer. This will help your hair last longer and prevent any heat damage and any damages to your brushes. Alright y'all, we are coming to the end of this video. This is how you wash, detangle, and blow dry your mannequin's head. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more episodes on Becoming a Cosmetologist.